Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, my name is Amina. Thank you so much for clicking in on this video. I hope you are keeping well wherever you are. I'm okay. Thank you for asking. So on today's video, guys, we are decluttering and also just organizing my cabinet. It's a mess as you can see, but this is real life mess. So I won't be, trying to show less than what it is. It is what it is. This is what is happening right now. My cabinet is such in a messy state. So I said, let me just take this chance and do it with you guys in this video. I have been procrastinating doing this thing. As you can see right now, I'm doing this work. I think it was around about 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock later on in the day. I was like, you know what, girl, stand up and go to your cabinets, because if I don't force myself to do it, then no one will. Yeah, so yes, I hope you'll find motivation watching this video and also just sort out whatever messy place you have in your house. Thank you so much again for clicking in. I've just only bought few things to organize this cabinet from Westpac. The rest of the things that you'll see me doing here, or the storage boxes and everything is old. I'm just putting things in the right order and decluttering, and also will be refilling. And also there's also Indian grocery haul somewhere in this video.
I don't know what it is.
So guys, I would like to thank everyone who has been supporting this channel. We are growing slowly. And another thing, I just want to remind you guys, I have a new button now. If you kindly want to support this channel, just to give a super thanks, that will be so appreciated. You can press any amount that you can afford. As you can see, it starts from 30 something rand up until 800 and something rand. Yeah, if you can, 800 rand would be more appreciated. Okay guys, carry on watching. Thank you so much again. Don't forget to support your girl anyhow you can by watching the ads or pressing the super thanks.
'Cause I long for you every single night, and it's been like this ever since we.
It's been 4 weeks since you called, and I've been waiting here for you all along. I've been waiting here for you all along. Where you been? Where did you go? I wonder if you found what you're looking for. Wonder if you found what you're looking for. I hope it's not too late. I want you back here with me. We never should have said it's better this way. I'd rather be with you than someone I don't know. Now it's like we're living in two separate worlds. Come on back to me, say that you won't go. I can't cope without you, and I wanna hold you close. Say that you won't go. Say that you won't go. It's been so cold without you here. We barely said goodbye before you disappeared. It's been so cold without you here. I'm not gonna lie, don't know what I'd do without you. Maybe we could try to figure out a way to put our past aside. I've realized I only want you. I hope it's not too late. I want you back here with me. We never should have said it's better this way. I'd rather.
Guys, let me share just a bit of my Indian grocery haul. This is cinnamon. The cinnamon sticks. And then I got fried onions. Got chili flakes. Almonds, badam. I forgot the name of this, but I think it's a... No, I forgot the name of it, but I wrote it down. Okay, and my husband got extra rose water. I still have enough. Neem powder. I think this is a masoor dal, but these are lentils. This is my favorite with Martin. This is oily dal. My favorite tandoori masala. Bay leaves. More tandoori masala. Mustard seeds. This is Indian snacks. These are actually chickpea, but it's a snack of it. What's the name of this? Dry curry leaves. Food coloring, yellow food coloring. Bought more rose water. Rose water is also good for the skin, so I also use it for my skin as a toner. More Indian snacks. That's it, guys.
at you, you make me blind. Why do you have to be so beautiful all the time? I know I can't be with you. It's killing me to see you with someone else. What to do? Now I'm in the corner watching you smile, watching you smile.
So here with the grocery, I finish with this pantry the side. Okay guys, now we are just going to do this part. Now I have finished the middle, the dishes I will end with. Now I'm just going to do this part now. It's a mess here. Oh guys, check the dust. These are my daughter's books, but I kept it for my son. And then these are my UNICEF books, guys. Oh my god. I finished studying long time ago, so this book should not be here because I'm not using it. So I'm moving some of these things to the garage. I'm supposed to sell some of them. I don't know why I'm keeping all this. Anyway.
All of the things that I wish I could tell you. Every time when you're passing me by, I fall in love. There's something about you. I wish you were mine. And if I only could be there to hold you, it feels like I stop breathing when you're around. I'm in love. There's something about you. I wish you were mine. I wish you were mine. I wish you were mine. 'Cause every time you pass me by, I fall in love. I fall in love. All of the things that I wish I could tell you. Every time when you're passing me by, I fall in love. There's something about you. I wish you were mine. And if I only could be there to hold you, it feels like I stop breathing when you're around. I'm in love. I look at you, you make me blind. Why do you have to be so beautiful all the time? I know I can't be with you. It's killing me to see you with someone else. What to do? Now I'm in the corner and watching you smile, watching you smile. And I can't get over you. I'm losing my mind.
So guys, I have taken out everything from the containers that I already had. Nothing is new here. So I got the labels from Pep, very cheap guys. In my kitchen, I made labels more than a year ago from our local lady here. She usually make labels for the kids, yeah, but she don't like to make single labels. She just says it's too much work. I'm happy that she did it that time, but now, you know, I don't want to force it out on her now. So now I decided to buy these labels at Pep. Hopefully in the future I will invest in the label machine. So the downside about these labels is that it's not enough. Like, I do prefer to write your own labels, then you know what exactly is there. Just like here, I had to put kids because there was nothing to put there. But I feel like for the kitchen it would be helpful if it's someone who doesn't use a lot of things in the kitchen.
Now I'm in the corner, watching you smile, watching you smile. Now I can't get over you. I'm losing my mind.
Guys, I have finished sorting out this pantry here. I don't know what you call it, is a cabinet or pantry. Yeah, it is really helpful since I do have a small kitchen. So I was finished. I didn't show a lot of things that I did just to make the video shorter. Besides that, the house was just too much up and down. So this is the before, guys. It now it looks much more better. I have refilled some empty bottles, drawer that I didn't need anymore, or some of the things had already expired. Let's hope it stays like this for some time. So guys, what I love more about this new organizers that I got from Westpac, especially that long one like a tray, my shan spices, a lot of them were able to fit and they're sitting better than how they were sitting before. Unfortunately, I didn't show exactly how it was inside because it was just a mess. Yeah guys, just quickly showing you everything here because I was refilling some of those bottles with you guys, so just showing you. Probably in the next video I will show you guys my tea area. We are big on tea in this house, so I think it will be a tea area. Yeah, and other places that I will sort out next time in my kitchen. Yeah, this is the after of me sorting out this cabinet here in the passage. Here I did sort out these dishes here of camera, and I did show you guys this part earlier on. Yeah, just everything is just looking nice and neat. And here everything, nothing new here really, just was just taking out what is old, what has expired, especially even the creams and medication. There were things that have expired already, so I did that. Anyway guys, thank you so much for tuning in to watch this video for the motivation. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys on my next video. Ciao ciao, love you all, bye bye.